Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This weekend, we're kicking off a fantastic Christmas and July sale, so I thought I'd show you some of my favorite holiday products. Everything in the Christmas and Winter collection, and anything red or green, will be 20% off through July 4th, and there will be an additional 20% off all clearance and retiring items. So let's get started, and then you can head over to do some holiday shopping. Today I'm using some of the lovely layering die sets, Winter Birds and Winter Greenery. I start by die cutting several shades of red, a dark orange, and black cardstock for my cardinal. Here you can see the layering order for the cardinal, and I love how easy it is to line up each layer using the bird's beak as a reference. I use a mix of HG adhesive and liquid glue to adhere the layers together. For tiny intricate dies, I like to dip them into liquid glue rather than try to apply the glue directly to the die. This is less messy and you're less likely to have excess glue around the edges. You could also die cut all these layers from white cardstock and color the cardinal, but I decided to speed things up a bit and used colored cardstock. I do think I'm going to try Copic coloring them soon so I can easily color a male and female cardinal. I also die cut the tiny eye from gold glitter cardstock and carefully adhere it. Next I die cut the lovely layers Winter Greenery from 2 shades of green, gold glitter, and bright red cardstock for the berries. For my background, I've decided to die cut one of the layers of the Fancy Flakes cover plate die from white cardstock. One of the layers die cuts an open snowflake pattern and the other layer dry embosses a tiny dotted design while keeping the cardstock as one solid panel, and that's the die I'm using today. I trim the snowflake panel down and adhere it to a top-folding white card base. I arrange all the Winter Greenery pieces in my cardinal on the background and then carefully start adhering each piece with liquid glue. I change things up so sometimes the green is on top and sometimes the gold for a little more interest. I also tuck the cardinal's legs over one of the branches to help ground him. I love how all these greenery pieces really work together to create that perfect holiday feel. Once I'm done adhering the greenery, I add the cardinal with foam mounting tape. Off camera, I stamp a sentiment for Let Nature Sing onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with brass embossing powder before die cutting it with the coordinating die. Before adding my sentiment, I adhere all the berries around my scene. I also die cut a sprig with gold glitter cardstock and trim off a piece to stick behind my cardinal. Then I adhere my sentiment with foam mounting tape. I use a white gel pen to add a few accents to the bird and berries, and then apply a thin layer of Nouveau Crystal glaze to the berries, bird's eye, and beak to finish the card. And that's it. You can find more information on the Christmas in July sale and a link to shop in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a great day and happy crafting. Bye!